Hello friends, in my last video I have already told you about thumb sucking. Today we will be discussing about the management of thumb sucking. So thumb sucking is normal up to 4 years of age. After 4 years it has to be treated. First, management can be divided into 3 parts. Preventive. In preventive management, we will feed the child nicely. We will use the pacifier. We will give proper love and affection to the child. Second, psychological therapy. We will use the Dunlop hypothesis. We will ask the patient to sit in front of the mirror and see during the activity. In those cases, child will feel ashamed and will quit the habit. Then the 3 alarm system. I will discuss it in details. Then coming to the chemical treatment. In chemical treatment, different chemical like asafoetida, pepper, castor oil, femite can be applied to the thumb of the patient so that they will quit the habit. Now coming to the reminder therapy. There are various reminder therapy like extraoral approach and intraoral approach. In extraoral approach, we will use the thumb guard. We will cover the thumb with the guard made up of acrylic. It will remind the patient not to do the activity and gradually it will decrease. Then coming to the intraoral approach, there are various appliances which can be used in thumb sucking like palatal crib, which can be placed on the upper maxillary arch. Then oral screen given by Newell, which will prevent the thumb sucking. Then hair X given by Mac. Then blue-green appliance in which there is a Teflon roller. Whenever patients feel like sucking the thumb, they will roll the roller with the help of tongue. By this method, they will quit this habit. And then quad helix, which will helps in the widening of the arch which was narrowed down due to thumb sucking. Now there are various current strategies which can be used to prevent thumb sucking, like increase the arm length of the night suit of the children so that the thumb will not be visible and they will quit the thumb sucking. Then thumb home concept. The patient is told to cover the thumb during the night and ask them and to tell them that likewise us human, when we go to home at night to sleep, the thumb is also going for sleep at night. Then there are various hand puppet available in the market to cover the thumb and hand. Then there are thumb sucking book like The Little Bear Who Sucked His Thumb by Dr. Dragon. The older children can read this book and quit the habit. Then there are special shirts available in the market. Then there are various thumbsters, glove-like structure which can be used to wear on the thumb. Then elbow guard. Elbow guard is the appliance which is given by Shetty et al. In 2003, where it is wrapped on the elbow and the thumb will not reach to the oral cavity and there will be wrenching or the tightening of elbow and the patient will quit the habit. Then the 3 alarm system, where the first alarm is thumb which is wrapped in the paper, then the second alarm is compression of the elbow, and the third alarm is musical chip. The child will get 3 signals to stop the thumb sucking habit.